Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Let's start the today's topic. Today we will use the functions in combinations. We will use VLOOKUP function along with to make it automate. We will use match function. So let's see how we can do it that we can make the function automate. Let me delete it first of all so that we can start it from the scratch. Okay, now we have same data employees in column A, and from B to M column there are respective salaries for the employees, and same. And for your insurity we can just change the order so it will be more perfect. Okay, so let me use first of all VLOOKUP function. And I am expecting that all of you guys know that how we can use the VLOOKUP function. And if you would like to use the function, I am giving the link in the description so that you can go and check the video to use it appropriately. Okay, let me fix it. Okay, this. Okay, I am done with the VLOOKUP function. Now we will use the match function. How we can use it? First of all, we will press F2 to open the formula, and we need to automate the column index number basically. So we will remove it from here and we will start using the match function. And what are the properties to use the match function? Firstly, this is asking us to for the lookup value, and in that case lookup value would be like Jan 20, and because we need to automate the column index number, and it will help us to fetch in that way, comma. Now from A column to M, and we just need to select this one only because we do not need to select the data, because data is itself the row that we want to fetch it, comma. And there are three types of matches are given in the formula, and we will select the 0 for exact match, bracket close, enter. Now we will again open it. We will fix the first of all lookup array so that it will not skip, otherwise it might be wrong. Okay, and we will fix it also. Okay, now what can I do? I can simply select it from here and press Ctrl D to drag the formula below. And what other things I can do? Delete it, Ctrl C, and I will copy the whole from Feb 20 to December 20. Okay, you can just verify that it is fetching the data correctly. Okay, now I will select the whole data and press the Ctrl D button to downfill. Okay, now you can check that we have randomly that is not the same order, we have make it random so that we can verify the formula as well. And to make you more clarification, I can also change the values. This is the total given in the below, and I will select it in the whole table. Okay, the total of this is same approximately. Okay, we can change it. Okay, here. Okay, this way. Now you can see that the way I have changed the first my main table, it will also change in the same order. Let's verify it with the total numbers. Okay, now you can check. Now let me more clarity on this. If I will change it Jan 20, what it will happen? See, the total of Jan 20 is 221300 and the same order we have taken. If I will change its Jan 20 and to Feb 20. Okay guys, now this way we can use VLOOKUP function along with match function. If you like this video, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button so you can get the notification when I will upload my next video.